Hi, welcome to Cecily Studio YouTube channel. Here we are at the Riverway, and this is the entrance to the dog park, which I was just chatting about. And we're going down this paved path, and on our right is the dog park. So we'll pass the dog park and also the shelter for the animal shelter too. On the right, the whole time will be the new river. And you sometimes see it, sometimes hear it as you walk along. On your left, you're going to see the community garden. And it looks like they also have a water pump too for their gardens. Here is the Municipal Boat Ramp. And you can park here and bring your boat down this ramp. We love going down here so Charlie can stick his toes in the water. And you'll find fishermen getting ready to go out onto the water and have a great time. Some people are sitting here along the bench enjoying themselves. So we pass the Municipal Boat Ramp and we continue to walk. On our left is a large field and we go into the forest. And we'll be in the forest basically the rest of our walk. We're going to go an out and back walk. Probably for about 25 minutes in and then back 25 minutes. There are ways to get down to the river if you want to and be on the bank. We tend to just use the ramp for the boats. There's lots of trees and nature and birds and flowers, wildflowers. It's a really pretty walk. And as you see here, it is almost fall. There are mile markers. You'll see joggers, hikers, walkers, and bicyclists and strollers. So here it is, the Riverway, and it does connect with Wildwood. So thank you so much for tuning in, liking, and subscribing, and let's slow down and flow. Take care.